Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have in a Ford Cougar. This is a 2021 reg, and I'm going to show you how to change the pollen filter. Let's go. So to change the pollen filter on this 2021 Cougar, we have our new pollen filter here. We're going to go in the passenger side, and we are going to be going in the glove box. So open the glove box. Inside the glove box you have two little tabs. So if we look round to the side here, you can just push that tab in and it will release, and then another one up the top here, push that in and it will come down. Everything's going to fall out your glove box, but that doesn't matter because now we have access to this panel here, which the pollen filter will go in. So it looks like we need either a 6 or 7 mil or a 15 or 20 Torx screwdriver. So let's just go and grab one of those. 20, 15. So we just balance the torch in here. We look down here, yeah, it's a 15 Torx. So we're just going to undo that and drop it, because that's always fun. And get your fingers in here and spend ages trying to find it because you're an idiot. There we go, that's one. Now take out the second one. Let's see if we drop this as well. Look at me being all careful. Right, now we got that out. Let's see, we've got a couple of little tabs here. That's not for that. Two push tabs on the sides. So push that out there and push this one out here and just pull it and it folds down. There we go, got the original pollen filter in there. So notice airflow down. So when we take this one out, yeet it away, and then we're going to go airflow down, slide her in. Oh, she's tight fit, which is good. And then we're going to just pop the little trap door back, making sure these little locators pop back in. Then we can get our two screws that we are probably going to throw on the floor again. And we're just going to push them in the hole. Like that. See? Again. Let's see if I can do this with a screwdriver attached. There we go. And then we're just going to screw these on. 1. 2. Make sure that's shut. And for the glove box, we're just going to lift it up. You see these little tabs here? Click, straight back in. Then obviously put all of your stuff that fell out of the glove box back in the glove box. Shut the glove box, shut the door, boom. So there you have it guys, that's a quick video on how to change your dirty pollen filter in a 2021 Cougar. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.